Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetradingsystems.com, making this a small video about yen index and yen pairs and how you can use yen index to trade all of those yen pairs, multiple yen pairs, and take multiple trades at the same time. Just follow the index. So let's get started. I'll show you what chart I made and when about the yen index. I made this chart here on the 14th, September 14th, that this candle here, this shooting star kind of candle, inverse hammer, right? Inverted hammer. After that, I said, we're going to be coming down to this level, or maybe even more, right? But the idea was coming down. And so far, what happened, this chart is as of last Friday. So we powerfully came down here to this level for 64.14. It might come down even more, or maybe bounce, but this is what happened. Now, notice that what I wrote down here, that this will send all yen pairs down. This will all send yen pairs down because yen is always on the right hand side on each and every single pair. Now, also, I made a shorter time frame, my own time frame, which one, let me show you here, 33-minute chart, right? It's like more or less like a 4-hour regular chart. So this was the idea that it started to come down. So I said, okay, it's going to be coming down here and even more, right? Again, if this happened, we'll send all yen pairs to the downside. This is also on 14. Now, what happened to this chart so far is this. Not only came down here and wobbled and then all the way down here to this area. So we bypassed this, we tested it, and we dropped, and then we're probably going to drop more. And that took all those yen pairs to the downside, all. Now, let me show you how. From the 14th, right? So the next day is 15th. So September 15th, I take you to the broker, and I'll show you here with every single, this was the chart made, right? So what happened from the 14th, so the next day, 15th, let's say, right? So 15th, September 15th, what happened to these yen pairs? Take a look. First, let's say USD yen. I'm going to show you 4-hour chart. And this I marked already. This is September 15th, right? This happened so far, USD yen. So after September 15, Euro yen, this happened. September 15, sideways, boom, drop. Pound yen, September 15, this drop big time here, right? It is from 60, let's say 65. Right now it is 55, 1,000 pip drop, 1,000 pip drop in 10 days from September 15 to September 24. And here, Aussie yen, from here to here, drop big time, right? CAD yen, September 14 to September 24. In 10 days, right? Franc yen, it went up a little bit because of the Fed, then boom, drop. New Zealand yen, September 15, I look at it, how many pips? This one, it drops from 86, right now it is 82. See that? And franc yen, boom, drop. Okay, so these are the thing, if only you pay attention to the index. If you catch that direction in the index, you can trade all of these pairs. Did I do anything? Yes, I did a lot of trades, but market was so fast after, especially what happened here. It was like everything was so volatile. Market was up and down big time. So I was taking the trades, closing them fast because it will drop 100 pip and then boom, it will retrace 80 pip. So that's why, but it's still have made few charts. We can, I can show you here. For example, this GJ here, right? It's 140 pip, right? And then this UJ, I was lucky to save the chart, but then again it went up and then again down, like this one, like down and then up and then down. And then, so I was quickly able to make this chart here, 120 pip, this trade on the 22nd. Right, and then again you have this pound yen on the 23rd for 70 pip. Look at the entry. The system gives you so many entries and so many chances to get into the market without going in negative. So this is how the system is, and this is how you can use. And then similarly, I'm going to make the video about the pound as well. Pound. I removed the charts from here, but it was like I made the chart pound USD like 2018, and now it is coming through the monthly chart, right? So thousands and thousands of pips dropping big time. And then this is the system to make precise entries. If you learn it properly and then apply the rules, that's it. You can do wonders in this market. Now, let me show you something that not only this one, but I have this Telegram, right? So if you subscribe, you'll be a part of this. And then I constantly making tweets here. I can say tweets. I don't know what else to say here. So it's not a Twitter, but yeah, small messages about, setups, upcoming setups, like EA making a short here, GJ making a short, right? The charts, the setups, videos. I make small short videos, and FOMC meeting, the upcoming news alerts and all of that. So I use this Telegram for that. Right? There was a couple of messages that if I can give signals out, if buy and sell signals, not really, but the thing is that that becomes it comes liability with that, when somebody says that, okay, go ahead, buy and then sell, or buy and sell and buy and sell, right? So person can be responsible. But the thing is that when I say EA making a short, that simply means that I'm taking it. So, and you can go ahead and take it. But I'm telling you, it's a signal, but indirect, right? Without any liability to me. So if you like what you saw, you can go on my website here, right? This is my website, so you can subscribe from here. And you can watch a lot of videos here and previous recordings. So by the way, I do webinars twice a week where I teach everything, harmonic patterns, Elliott wave, Fibonacci, everything. But, entry level stuff, right? If you want to learn like deep, and then become like a master of this market, this system, and then do exactly what I'm doing here, then for example, if you subscribe here, right, you have a different, like monthly and yearly and all of that subscription options here. But then you have personal coaching, one-on-one, right? If you want to learn everything and become master of this market, that's what I'm talking about. Then you can just simply go here and then watch the video, what it is, what you're gonna get, and all of that. And it's $9.97. But you see, one of these trades, only one trade a week like this will bring you $1,200 with the standard lot. And I showed you, I had 13 trades last week like that, big trades, 140 pip trade, 150 pip trade. That's nothing. But the idea is that learning to do it properly. That's it. And this, my CTS alarm, this alarm is amazing. I mean, it beeps exactly when the setup is ready. And you can get so many setups in different pairs. If you open 5-6 pairs, you're probably going to get like 30-40 setups beeping within a week. Right? Some are not good, some bad, but most of them are good. So the bad one usually hit the SL for 15 to 25 pip, anywhere from 15 or even break even, right? But the good one, you saw that, good ones are like big trades, when the trade goes in your direction, it's like 140, 150 pip, 70, 80, 100, it's not stuff like that. They come out way positive. Right. For example, let's say if you make 600 pip, you might give back like 100 or 150 pip back to the market in SL heads, but you still come out with 300, 400 pip positive. That's the idea of this system. Okay. So I just wanted to share with you guys. And like I said, that, Aussie index leads the way. And any index, I have yen index, right? The yen index here, it dropped and then brought all the pairs down. USD yen, for example, if I show you here that, for example, this one, I still have here in this broker, you can see the short is going on right now. I didn't close it. This is Aussie yen, by the way. Similarly, I have Euro yen also going down here short. Right, and so many I closed so fast. They were moving. The market was moving so fast. For example, this one, it went up USD yen because USD is very, very strong, stronger than yen. So this thing went up actually, right? But other than that, all of these pairs went down. And look at this pound yen. You'll be amazed looking at that. Look at that. I had this one. I made the chart of this trade, but then after that was like just in and out, in make 70, 80, 100 out, in, out, in, out. See this? Oh, this from even from here, this is a good entry, right? This indicates all the way up. So it's a good entry from here to here, 100 pip. From here to here, 89 pip, 90 pip, right? Some stuff like that. So also look at this entry, entry, entry. If you miss this entry, you have this one, this one, this one. So many entries you see, right? Amazing system. Just need to learn how to use it. Simple as that. So when you get it, you will learn it definitely. And like I said, that if you really need to understand the whole market and then become master of not only this system but the Forex market in total, like Elliott wave, harmonic patterns, SNL levels, how to use the trend lines, and most importantly, how to use the Fibonacci. It is very, very important now. Teach everything on over Zoom, 10-hour course, and you can get it back. You get your money back like in just one trade. After that, you finish that thing. So anyway, so this is what I just wanted to show you with you guys. And again, these charts here, these are amazing charts. Look, yen index, was like here, and it might come all the way down here to the TL. It's a possibility. But if it makes the turn to the upside, obviously then yen is going to get weaker, and what will happen? All yen pairs will turn to the upside, and then I will not see any short setup. So I can't go wrong. I can only go long then. And then obviously if this thing starts to go up, right? And for example, from here, let's say in a smaller time frame of this one, right? This support holds, and then I see it's a blue candles, and then it start to go up. And then I'll start watching all the pairs, right? What's happening to these pairs on a smaller time frame, not 4 hour, but 15-minute and stuff. And then when you see that they are all going, you understand now that, okay, yen is getting weaker, everything is going up. Okay, so you get ready, you put the alarm on, the alarm beeps, you open the long trade, and that's it. And you just ride 100 pip, 120 pip, 130 pip, 80, 90, 70. Sometimes you have to go, like even 50, 60, you have to close. It all depends on the daily range of where you make the entry in the day. So how much a pair already have moved, right? Let's say a daily range of Euro Aussie is 150 pip. But if it already has moved 100 pip for the day in one direction, and then you get an entry, you only have a shot at 50 pip. Yeah, but early in the day, when the day is starting, and then you get an entry, long entry in Euro Aussie, and you know that it's going up, and then you have the whole daily range left over, right? You can shoot at for like 130, 140 pip trade. And just hold on to it because the daily range is still there. So this is how it is. Like I said, that if you want to become a master of this market and this system, go and subscribe over there one-on-one, get the course, and get on online with me over Zoom. 10-hour course. I'll teach every single thing about the whole Forex business, every single thing from A to Z. And I'll make you a master of the system. All right. So this is it for now. And talk to you guys later, and have a wonderful the rest of the weekend, which is one more day, Saturday, today, not Sunday actually, Saturday, Sunday started. It's 2 a.m. here. Okay, so bye for now, and talk to you guys later.